I'm on my jackass shit, man.
Get it.
Jack boy.
What is you doing?
Man, can I see the scooter, man? Can I see the scooter, man? That nigga was like,
He got fucked.
Hey, quit hitting me with that. Hey, could somebody take this car from this young man?
Me, I got shot, boy. No, I didn't. I limped in here.
come on, man, let's go interview niggas so get this commercial, man.
I'd rather not be around this vibe.
I mean that on real.
This nigga D.
You about to buy this?
Where?
This nigga gonna let it be gone, man. You know you.
Excuse me, sir, can you do a commercial for me? For my school? Damn. It's fucked up. Come on, y'all dropping, y'all disrespecting the Reese's and shit, man.
Niggas gotta eat that. They gotta go.
Hey, we need that battery on the way back.
What battery?
All right.
Y'all want that commercial on the way back?
Pretty please.
Yeah, we need that